Hi everyone, this is a 40mm Yale padlock, 5 pins. There's the bitting on the key for it. It's a new lock, new old stock anyway. Not sure if this particular type of lock is actually made by Yale anymore. The keyway is actually quite narrow, so I'm using my thinnest pry bar. That goes on the pin side of the lock. Light tension needed, and a slim hook. Start at the front and just touch pin 5. It gives us a full set straight away. Go down to pin 2. Sets the spool on pin 2. And going back to the pin 4, I think. Sure, just ease off the tension there. There we go. Open on pin 5. Not too bad. A lock that. It's taken a little bit of practice, but once you know the order, it's no problem at all.